In my last video, I showcased Excel for inventory management. Now, someone asked if I can use the same approach for roster planning. Well, in my demo spreadsheet here, the first section, this one here, staff roster planner here, is going to be in one workbook. And my master database, it potentially could be on the second workbook here. And basically, I'm going to apply a filter and give you the list based on a separate workbook altogether. The first step I'll take will be to get the unique list of shift names from the master database using a function called unique, and then the argument would be the entire shift name here like this. Close parenthesis and hit enter, and you can see that they are not in sorted order. So basically, in order to get a sorted order, you could encapsulate the unit function with the sort function like that, and you get the sorted values. Now you're going to associate this list on a drop down menu here. Put your cursor on cell D7. Can you go to data on your ribbon, data validation. Over here on this data validation pop-up, make sure you're on the settings tab, and the allow you're going to select as lists because it's going to be a drop down list, and you're going to click on this arrow here and then basically highlight the unique list that you have just created and hit enter twice like this, 1, 2. And now you have a pull down menu on cell D7. Now to display the filtered list on whatever you have selected as filter in here, put your cursor on cell B10 and say equal filter. The first argument on the filter will be the entire master database itself like this. And then the second argument is your condition for your filter. So it's going to be your column on shift, which is column H for me, the entire column like this. And basically you're going to say equal to whatever the user have selected on these 7, and then you close parenthesis and hit enter, and you can see that on shift S3 all these are the names or the employees. Now if you change this to shift S2, you can see that all people who are in shift 2 S2 will be listed here. Likewise S1 and S4 for shift.